Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and accounts. Back up your iPhone now so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Once done, open Settings and tap your name to access Apple ID. Make sure your Apple ID balance is 0 and cancel active subscriptions or note their renewal dates. You need a payment method and billing address valid for the target country, so gather that information next to avoid interruptions during the change. Now perform the actual change. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and View Account. Choose Country/Region and select Change Country or Region. Pick the new country from the list. Next, enter the new billing address and a payment method accepted in that country. This is required to save the change. Make sure to read and accept the terms. Once you confirm, the App Store and media availability will update to match the new storefront. Finish by restarting your iPhone, then open the App Store to verify the new country storefront and download region-specific apps. If the change fails, make sure no active subscriptions remain, that you left family sharing if necessary, and that your Apple ID has no outstanding balance. These commonly block country changes. If problems persist after addressing those items, contact Apple support for account-specific fixes. Doing this resolves most issues and prevents accidental loss of purchases or subscriptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.